Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to talk about three major indexes of US stock market: Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500. With this we are going to talk about two precious commodities, gold and silver. So before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. Generally, on this channel, we talk about technical discussion of Indian as well as Indian US stock market. So let's go ahead and start our analysis. First, we are going to see the chart of Nasdaq. So let's see. This is a day time frame, and we can see here. Let me hide the drawing first. We will see the simple candlestick patterns here. You can see. Just a moment. So you can see here there was a big breakout happened on this candle on 10th of November on the day time frame. And then if you see the weekly candle, last 2 weeks are spinning tops like they are hovering at the same level. If we see the monthly candle, month is about to happen in next 2 days. It says that it took a very good support at 10,500 on monthly time frame, and after hitting the 10,500 it just pushed back up and it's trying to go up more from here. So let's switch it to the day candle and we will unhide our drawing and we will see what we understood from this chart. So if you see here on 10th of November, there was a big upside by 7.4% on Nasdaq, and that broke the trend line support resistance. Okay, we had a big trend line resistance. First was here, second was nearby here, third here, fourth here, and then it got breaked. And the most important point is after breaking this trend line resistance, okay, now Nasdaq 100 is hovering, right? It is trying to do some consolidation, and I am seeing that 11,500 is a current strong support after this breakout. And I think that if the 11,500 is it won't get break, then the first immediate resistance is coming around this level of 11,800, and once it gets crossed easily, then 12,100 will be the first target. And if it breaks 12,100 with good volume, then the next target is coming around 12,550. So it looks like 6 to 700 points upside is pending into the market, and that might come if we sustain the level of 12,800. Okay, and then 12,100, sorry, 11,800, and then 12,100 and 12,550. Now let's talk about the downside. If 11,500 gets breaked with good volume and it creates the candle like that, then definitely the first target is coming around 11,250 and second target is coming around 10,900. So these are the two targets for the downside. And now let's talk about Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, before we do the analysis, first we hide the drawings. We will see the simple candles, what they are trying to tell us. So this is the chart of Dow Jones on the day time frame. The day candle looks like the normal green candle, and if we see the weekly says that it is giving strong, it gave the strong closing last week. And if we see the monthly candle shows a strong uptrend. So let's go ahead and do the analysis on uh, the the day time frame. We will do the analysis on hourly time frame for this chart. and then we will move for the day time frame. So right now we are okay. So here is the very important thing we can monitor first, and then we can conclude. So the first important thing is that uh, on hourly time frame, it gave a consolidation for long time. Let me zoom it first. On the hourly time frame, it gave a consolidation for long time, and you can see that there is a break of the on the consolidation. After giving a this consolidation, this is the channel breakout. It gave a breakout, okay, with good volume. You can see here with good volume it gave a breakout, and now it is trying to consolidate here. To me it looks like the first target is coming around 34,750 is the first target. The second target is coming around 35,200 if it stays and sustain above 34,700, 750. Now where is the support? The support for this uh, support for Dow Jones is coming around 34,200. 34,200 is the first support. If it breaks 34,200, then next support is coming around 34,000. And if this index breaks 34,000, then definitely we can see the targets of 33,550, then 33,050. So these are the two targets for the downside if we break 34,000. So these are the two important levels for the downside. Now let's move on towards S&P 500. For the S&P 500, same thing. If we hide the drawing first and see the candlestick patterns, the daily candle is not showing anything major. If we see the weekly candle closed in this marginal green candle, and monthly candle is showing some strong upside. So let's go ahead and do the analysis on hourly time frame here to get the better levels. Okay, so we will move it on the day time frame here because we are getting good levels on day time frame. Here it clearly shows that the 4,000 is the current support on this S&P 500. So unless and until we are not breaking below 4,000, high probability that it can go towards 4,100 and then 4,200. Those are targets for shorter time frame. And then if it stays above 4,200, then we will see the bigger numbers. But at this point of time for this week, 4,100 and 4,200 are the important levels which I can see. Now if it breaks 4,000, then short-term downside targets are 3,925 and 3,850. These are the two downside levels for S&P 500. So friends, this was about all three major indexes of the market. Now we are going to talk about two major currencies, commodities. The first is gold, and then we will talk about silver. The same way, we will hide the drawing first and try to understand what the candles are saying. So the Thursday's candles said us that there was buying came from the lower levels, and Friday's candle was not showing anything major. If we see the weekly candle here, the weekly candle, if we see here, the weekly candle says that it's a kind of doji pattern. If we see the monthly, then monthly shows us a strong uptrend. Monthly candles shows us strong uptrend. So let's move it into the day and just unhide our drawing. And clearly I can see the one important thing here. You can see that there is a breakout on the trend line resistance. Okay, the trend line resistance gave a good breakout. First resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and then a good breakout with good green candle. And now I am seeing that 1750 is a good support for gold. If we stay above 1750, then the first target is coming around 1800, which is highly possible as per me, as per my analysis. The second target is 1850. Now, if we don't hold 1750, if we don't hold 1750, then immediately downside target is coming around 1700 and 1665. These are the two downside targets which I am seeing on the gold. Now we will talk about the next and last important commodity, which is silver. For the silver, we have the same view. Silver gave a breakout on after these resistance, trendline resistance. It gave this breakout here, which is a very important with a good volume. After it gave the breakout, it retested and again trying to go up. Now I think $22 is the first target, and if it stays and hold above $22, then next immediate target is coming around $23. Now for the downside, if silver don't hold $20.75, then definitely the next target it is showing of 19.50. So these are the lower targets. Okay, I hope you guys understood the analysis of indexes of US stock market as well as two major commodities, gold and silver. And I hope you will learn and you will do your own due diligence before taking any investment decisions. I hope you learn something out. And last but not least, in case you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.